I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start on the host machine, open System Properties and go straight to Remote tab, enable Remote Desktop and choose Allow Connections. Make sure the Windows account you plan to use has a secure password, because blank passwords block RDP. Once done, record the host's IP address or configure a static IP so the address doesn't change. Make sure the host stays powered and awake, otherwise your connection will fail. These steps open the door and keep it from closing unexpectedly. Now secure the path through network barriers. On the host, add an inbound rule for TCP port 3389 in Windows Firewall so RDP traffic is allowed. Next, log into your router and create a port forwarding rule that maps external port 3389 to the host's internal IP at port 3389. This directs remote requests to the right PC. If you want more security, change the external port number or use a VPN. These reduce exposure. Once forwarding is saved, verify the router reboots or apply settings. You're ready to connect. On the client PC, launch Remote Desktop Connection, type the host's public IP or forwarded port if non-standard, and enter the Windows username. When a certificate prompt appears, review and accept it if you trust the host, then type the password. Adjust display and local resource options as needed, then connect. If it fails, make sure the host IP is correct, inbound firewall rule exists, port forwarding targets the right IP, and the host isn't asleep. That troubleshooting tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.